What's up, Mindful Mentors 12 community? AJ Sunday here, and today we're diving into a game-changing investment opportunity. AI and crypto are merging, creating a wave of potential growth for early investors. No fortune required. With just $200, you could tap into 9 AI-driven crypto stocks under $5, each with explosive potential. These are high-risk, high-reward plays at the intersection of artificial intelligence and blockchain. Buckle up. Let's jump into the AI crypto revolution. First up, BigBear.ai, BBAI, a leader in AI analytics for defense, now integrating blockchain for ultra-secure data. With government contracts and a push into commercial markets, BBAI's tech fusion could drive massive growth. Trading under $5, it blends stability with breakout potential. This is a real-world solution with serious upside. Number 2 is Innodata, INOD, a microcap specializing in AI-powered data engineering. As crypto and Web3 explode, Innodata's infrastructure is essential for managing blockchain data. Its tiny market cap means even small wins could send shares soaring. Think of it as the picks and shovels play in the AI crypto gold rush. High risk, but positioned for a breakout. Third is Remark Holdings, Mark, a global leader in AI facial recognition. They're merging biometrics with blockchain for secure, authenticated transactions. Imagine your face as your crypto wallet key. Rapid growth in Asia and real-world partnerships make this a bold bet on the future of digital identity. It's a speculative play on biometric security in crypto. At number 4, Bit Digital, BTBT, is revolutionizing crypto mining with AI-driven efficiency. Their tech optimizes everything from energy use to predictive maintenance, giving them an edge in volatile markets. If Bitcoin rallies, BTBT's profits and stock price could explode. Analysts see major upside if the next bull run hits. It's a smart, high-leverage mining play. Fifth is Hive Blockchain, Chive, a pioneer in green AI-powered crypto mining. Their focus on sustainability attracts eco-conscious investors and secures better energy deals. With new data centers coming online by 2026, Hive is set to ride the next crypto wave, smarter, greener, and ready for the future. Number 6, SOS Limited, SOS, is a volatile microcap from China, diving into AI-driven crypto trading and insurance. Their exposure to the massive Chinese market is a wild card. Huge upside if regulations favor them, but major risk if not. This is a pure speculative gamble. High risk, high potential reward. 7th is Lantronix, LTRX, securing the booming Internet of Things with AI and blockchain. Their tech protects critical data in healthcare and industry, solving a massive security challenge. As IoT grows, Lantronix's role as a secure infrastructure provider becomes essential, a smart bet on the connected future. 8th, Ideanomics, IDEX, is fusing AI, blockchain, and electric vehicles to transform logistics and fintech. Their platform optimizes EV fleets and supply chains, with real contracts in Asia signaling traction. If they execute, IDEX could be a key player in trillion-dollar industries. It's a bold play on the future of mobility. 9th is Marathon Digital, MARA, a Bitcoin mining giant using AI to maximize efficiency and profits. Their scale means even small improvements drive big gains. If Bitcoin surges, MARA could skyrocket. It's the powerhouse for leveraged crypto exposure. There you have it. 9 AI crypto stocks under $5 that could turn $200 into a fortune by 2026. These are high-risk, high-reward picks, so do your homework and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Consider splitting your $200 across all 9 for diversification. Track catalysts, set stop losses, and always research before investing. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite pick. Thanks for watching Mindful Mentors 12. See you next time.